Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a very exciting video for myself. But before we get started, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel so you become part of our T Squad family. It just keeps growing. But you know what? Once we hit the 2K, I'm going to be doing the Sephora gift card giveaway. And there is going to be 2 winners like I had mentioned before. So, with that out of the way, and if you're already subscribed, and if you already gave this video a thumbs up, if you want to see more drugstore videos, like a drugstore foundation reviews, don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future ones. I do have one more coming that is new from the drugstore, so I'm excited about that. I'm actually really curious. No, I actually have 3 from the drugstore coming up, yeah. I have 3 foundations from the drugstore coming up, kind of testing them out, see if I like them and what not, and see what kind of skin type do I think they work for. So if you're excited for those, don't forget to thumbs up this video. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. So today I am super excited to share with you guys my obsession for like the past week. I know it's only a week, but you know, it's been my obsession for a week now. I have found the best foundation in the world, and it is only $6. Yes, $6. Found this, I was like, man, why aren't all these YouTubers talking about this foundation if it's so fucking bomb? Like, I feel like everyone talks about like the bougie, the high-end, the $50 foundations, but nobody talks about the drugstore a lot, or at least like the affordable kind of brands. I feel like not a lot of people talk about those. So my goal is to bring to you guys more drugstore foundation reviews. So if you're excited for that, thumbs up the video right now. And yeah, my face looks bomb, doesn't it? It's not my face, it's this right here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the Flawless Finish Foundation by e.l.f. Man, you guys, this foundation is fucking bomb. It is the best foundation at the drugstore by far ever. This foundation works for normal skin types, for oily skin types, for dry skin types, for combination skin types. It works for everyone, and I'm like, man, there's not a lot of people talking about this foundation, and I don't know why, but you guys need to fucking try this out. This is a full coverage foundation. It's only $6. It works amazing. I feel like as the hours pass by, the better your foundation looks. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look heavy, it looks very luminous, but it's not luminous. Like, it's so hard to explain this foundation because I myself am very impressed right now, and I have been since I tried it. But it's not super matte. It says it's like a semi-matte finish, but it's not matte and it's not dewy. It's like right in between. But as the hours pass by, my oil doesn't come through. I don't feel it drying either. Like, it's such a beautiful finish. It's like the best. It's like a flawless finish. There you go. Yeah, it says it on the bottle. Hello. The only downside to this foundation, I would say, is maybe like the shade range, but you can always mix 2 together to get your perfect shade. Super fucking affordable. And then 2, I would say it's the scent. It has a really strong scent to it. It's not super strong. That perfume like that, I have it in my mouth. Wait. Is it the Saint Laurent? No. The YSL foundation. There you go. What a girl. It smells a lot like the YSL products, where it has that like perfume kind of scent. It smells really high-end, really bougie, but it's not like super strong. I will have a link for this foundation down below in the description box. If you guys do decide to buy this foundation from the link, I do get a small percentage of commission to invest back into our channel. But I'm not like an affiliate or anything like that. I just get commission. Okay. It's bomb. It doesn't even have like a label, so we can like actually see what is in here. And I don't even think this comes with like a fluid ounce. I don't think so. Ooh. But it's a really good foundation. It's like my favorite obsession right now. But yeah, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the application of this gem. I already went ahead and moisturized with the Dry Skin Cream by Pond's, which you guys know that I have been loving. Moving on to primer, the primer that I have just been loving right now is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So I'm just going to go ahead and dot this all over my face. I'm so excited to share this foundation with you guys because this foundation, you guys, I don't know where was I. Like, I was like under a rock because I don't know. Can't believe it took me so long. I was walking through the aisle and I was like, man, nobody ever like reviews like e.l.f. foundations, or at least I haven't seen an e.l.f. review for a foundation. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try this shit out. This is the Flawless Finish Foundation by e.l.f. This shit has claims. Let me read you the claims real quickly because I had them in my notepad, but my notepad is like gone. So I'm just gonna Google this shit real quickly. Okay, so this foundation retails for $6 and it says it's their best-selling foundation. This lightweight and oil-free formula that blends in naturally for a beautiful semi-matte finish. The liquid foundation restores uneven skin texture and tones for visibly brighter skin. Oh my gosh, yes, it does all of that. So this foundation, I feel like anybody can use it, whether you are normal, dry, combination, or oily skin. It suits, like, it adapts to your skin type, which is what I love about it. I got mine in the shade Nude, which is a bit dark, but it's fine because right now I have been loving like darker foundations, and then I'll just use my highlight to, my concealer to highlight, you know, in the areas where I want highlighted. The way that I have been applying this foundation is with a beauty blender. So I'm just going to go ahead, I put 2 pumps on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend this into my skin. It does have a really bougie kind of scent, but it's not too empowering. Like, I feel like I can bear with it. And this foundation is full coverage, which is what I love about it. I feel like a little bit goes a really long way with this foundation. And I know it looks like super dewy, but it doesn't emphasize any texture. It doesn't settle into fine lines. The foundation stays around my nose like after my 10-hour shift, which is incredible. You are not going to be able to see no pores of mine. Like, I don't know what this foundation has. There's something in this that is amazing because my pores like are completely gone with this foundation. I don't know. Anyways, I know it looks super luminous and super dewy, but that's not the case. Like, right now I'm gonna set it, and that's the reason why I say that this foundation can fit whether you are dry skin, oily skin, combination, or normal, just because it fits my skin. Like, when I wake up, I'm super dry. Like, my skin is super dry and flaky, and it looks amazing and beautiful. And then throughout the day I start getting oily, but with this foundation I feel like you can't even see my oil. It looks amazing after my 10-hour shift. The foundation looks flawless, exactly what it says in the bottle. It says it's a flawless finish foundation, and I feel like it looks better as the time keeps passing by. As the hours keep passing by, it looks amazing, you guys. Like, I do not know where this was at all my life. Like, why isn't anybody talking about this affordable foundation? Like, I feel like everyone is talking about like the super bougie foundations and like the high-end foundations, but I feel like there's not a lot of people talking about drugstore or like affordable foundations, which is my goal. My goal is to bring to you guys more affordable foundations, more drugstore foundations, and share them with you guys, whether they're good, they're bad, you know. So if you want me to continue doing this, don't forget to thumbs up the video, please. And this is how this is looking like. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, you know, my face makeup, and then I'm gonna be right back to kind of share with you guys how everything blended. Alright guys, and this is the final and completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this foundation review. To me, this is like the best foundation right now that exists on the planet, just because it's like, it's not super matte like a drying matte. It's not super dewy either. It's like right in between, and as you can see, my face looks really good after I highlighted. This is the shade Nude. Like I said, like you saw, it is a bit darker, but I kind of like it. I kind of really like it. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, this is like my obsession right now. I really wanted to share this foundation with you guys. This combination though, I do not know, you guys. And if you're gonna pick this up, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you do decide to pick this up, let me know what you think of it, because man, it comes in like a super frosty glass bottle. This reminds me a lot of the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the sense that it's full coverage. Not in the formula, not in the finish, because the finish to this foundation is like so unique. Like I haven't found a foundation that is like this fucking bomb. But anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you become part of our T-Squad family. And with that being said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this review. And if you did, don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video very soon. Bye guys.